Today we are going to be drawing an orange tiger lily. I'm going to start with one of the petals. They are all fairly oval shaped with a line through the center. Then this one here is a bit more rectangular because I am making the end of the petal fold over so you can see the little tip there. And I think that just gives it a really nice look. Now I'm just going back in to widen up one of the petals because I drew it a bit too skinny. And then I'm going to keep going with all the petals. This one here is more rectangular as well. And what I'm doing is just sketching out the basic shape of the petals, and then I'm going to ink it later and then color it. And that's basically it. So now I'm just going to ink it. I'm using my Micron. This is 03, and I'm just going to follow the outlines. I'm making this flower look like it has been sketched in ink. That's what I'm going for. So I have some rough lines going around, and then I'm going to use my graphic 1 to go in the center and make it dark, and then do little dots fading it out, and then that will be the end of the ink. Here I'm using watercolor pencils so that I can go in later with water and really smooth the lines together. I'm using the darkest color in the center and at the tips of the lily, and then I'm going to use lighter colors as I work my way into the petal. This gives it a really nice effect. If you want to see more videos like this, then hit the like button and comment what you want me to draw next. See you next time. Bye!